Hi, Kay. Hi, Kay. And well, today I got something to show you. I got this yesterday, but kind of cool. Go ahead and get it ready. Look at this. Ow! Look at bad for nails. A tornado maker. What's this? Make sound. Well, this bat. What? Let me get this. Bat with nails. Stinking. It was right here. My elbow. It hurt like hell. Well, since that's over, I want you to meet my friend. No! Yeah, I'm right here. Let me put the phone so you can see. Now it's the phone. Let me put this. Put this. Like this. Okay. So, I want to show you. Right away. Like that. But I want to show you stuff awesome. Say hello, my little friend. Everything else, which that is. This thing! Look at this! Imagine this thing, you know, like, time to die. It's like that. Look at my bullets. It's like his train that all had bullets in it. And it goes like, that's all it has. I have my arm holding on to it. I hang this up on the wall. I can't find the cup for it yet. Well, this ball in off of it. No. Well, what else I got? This is old. I don't know what it is. God, what is? What is it? I don't know. I am work. Oh yes. Oh God. Something about this. If you guess the name, I'm guessing. Wait a minute. You don't know my friend. It's spelled CM Okay? I'm thinking of one of those right now. Right now. You have to guess one of those. Just saying to spell the names. Okay, I'm just gonna say. The first one is Lenny. Number 1 is Lenny. Number 2 is Dad. Just put in the comment below. 1 or 2. Okay? Then if you guess the name right, if you guess the name right in the first comment, I will have someone shoot me with this. Oh, bullets into my back. Because I'm so sorry. Did it break? I don't know if it broke. Fine. I just slammed. No. Hold on. Let me fix it. The bottom piece came off. Hold on. Let me fix this. I've gone down over here to the wall. Fix this. Okay. So we have a few more minutes. We have good comments. So let me pause the video. Be right back. It's all good. So what I did today is I was all the way right here. Yeah, I shot it all the way. All the way and hit the wall. Hit the wall. Yeah. Also, we're going to Dave & Buster's today. My birthday. Hold on. Okay, I'll be right back. I need a drink, please. Getting back. Hey, Dad. Why you slap me? Could have gone on video at least. I'll be back. I've asked my sister a question. Taylor, are you still watching Shameless?
Yeah.
Because soon, soon, I have Infinite Warfare and my mom.
What?
Oh, she's not in there. Hold on. Phantos! I'm pausing. I'm gonna wait for my mom. I'm just saying, guys. Look out here. This is stinking beautiful. Rocky, come here. Come here. No, don't run from me. Please don't leave. Pooh! Sit. I want. Say hello. Hey? Sit.
Xander, you're wasting memory on your mother's phone. Cut it out.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you are.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you are, because that holds a large video clip. It takes up a lot of memory.
Well, I'm posting on YouTube.
Shut it off.
Okay, bye.